welcome back to my channel today. Percy shippers and Somgel shippers they don't come online come fight scatter themselves, and also mercenaries don't come for Ceec and Ike again. So earlier today, Ceec she come out come post a video of her and Ike where they did together dey chop. Now remember to say Ceec don't come out come talk say she dey date Percy, all those type of thing, and a lot of people don't dey speculate say na Ike na she dey date. And some people they claim to say once they find out say na Ike, say the ship is going to be a disaster. So this na the video where we say she and Ike post, where we say she dey show she dey do shakara for the video. The thing not sit well with mercenaries. They come and start to dey drag her, they insult Ike. According to them, they say Ike go always forever be Mercy Eke leftover. So the first person here come to say bitter leaf after Mercy's leftover, come laugh. This one come say same thing she did with Neo. Another one come say it's not giving. The next one come say at 33, this one no go find who go marry her. She dey follow Ike up and down. Imagine insulting person because of marriage, as if marriage na be the biggest achievement person go achieve for a life. Marriage wey be say be earthly. The last person come say the two Igbo people should marry already, Ike, Ceec. The truth be say Ike and Ceec dey very mature, and I believe to say if that ship really wan sail, e go make sense, because come to think of it, Ceec no be person wey dey tolerate rubbish, and Ike na chaos master too. So and Ike dey know people wey be say where they respect. So I believe say that ship na something wey be say go really make sense, but who knows. So Somgel and Percy shippers matter. So you all know the Percy ship don't crash, and the time wey be say the thing crash, according to them, they claim to say Somgel shippers laugh them, they mock them, especially Angel fans. Now Angel fans now be say they concentrate on mostly than even Soma said. They not even remember say Soma even did the ship. Now Angel, now everybody they insult, they attack. And as Angel fans see to say Percy shippers they insult Angel, they come out to come they insult Mercy. Okay, so I go play the two recordings for now. The first one now from Percy shippers, they insult Angel.
I've not even started. Oh, yeah, sorry. I've not started laughing at them. Oh, yeah, sorry. People were slushing me. What did you people say? For relationship that Mercy did not claim, but your face was you like card everywhere. Put signboard, my husband. If they left Angel for put some picture for Valentine's Day for Lagos on signboard, that's my husband, my hobby. She said husband. That. Husband. Guys, I feel like I'm pregnant. What do you think I should do? He don't fuck all that to finish.
When you're done,
Repeated.
I've forgotten what I wanted to say. That's why I said just allow me.
In fact, let me even go and change my name to Soma Side Chick. Yes.
Like angles of people's throat.
Yeah, not the Angel fans. On our tears never begin come out. It's just I'm not even bring it on. Bring it on.
We know that.
When I'm done with you, the tears will you need to water this your boiling hair. This your synthetic hair.
Okay, let's take it back.
Okay, oh yeah, wait. Let me give my 2 cents. Let me give my 2 cents.
So as Percy shippers insult Angel finish, Angel fans can return the favor. So we gonna listen to Angel fans on.
That's one I cannot speak English very well. I cannot construct simple English. It's what angels should be bowing down to. And now we have now got to hear. In fact, we've seen the furor of the idea. We've seen the chicken yash that said the money that they're even flaunting itself here. It has comma and question mark in it, which FBI has to come and resolve for us and let us know the truth of the money. So tell me, excuse me, in the scheme of things. So that is the person, that angel, that went to good school, that we saw the intelligence that she was bringing to the table. I mean, 3 females that really impressed me in that house in terms of intelligence, and I'm not going to cap it, is Venita, Angel, Ceec. Those 3 people wowed me. They did not forehand, they did not disgrace people. When it comes to intellectual challenges, they were up to it. Is who that girl, that young girl that has promising future should bow to toxicity and go for big bad thing. In fact, I would have been so disappointed. So when the girls started playing the game, that's where I say mercenaries started having stomach problem. They started having constipation. They've not allowed the girl bring. In fact, between her and Venita, they are ready to throw them and to cut them into pieces because they refuse to bow down to Mercy. And my question is, who the hell and who the fuck is Mercy Ike?
And I don't hear the 2 people now. With all the Obasbos website they go on, Angel come out, come post this picture with she and the man. She not gonna show the man face, so that people everything won't cry, go cry. It's only a mad person now go see all this Big Brother Naija ship, carry am for head like gala. Normally, Percy ship, me I don talk am for years, say that ship was a joke. We all saw the ship that e no get how Pere want to take care of Mercy. How will he do it now? Ship that Mercy never, she no ever come out for once to come claim. Now na dey hope say Percy ship go work. Somgel ship on the other hand, I am not surprised at all. I am not. Two of them, they dey very young and they still get a lot of things to explore. You no expect two people wey be say like groove, like Angel and Soma, to settle down now. Wey be say they still dey young like that, they still dey enjoy their life, they still fine. If the ship, Somgel ship don end, let everybody move on. After all, two of them, they still be friends. They still dey follow each other on social media. So what is the big deal there? Una take care, una bye.